Tom Lee's Bitmine buys another $69 million ETH, holds massive $8.66 billion stack. Bitcoin, Bitmine, Ethereum, Treasury. Tom Lee's Bitmine just funneled another $69 million through Galaxy Digital to lift its ETH war chest to roughly $8.66 billion, now holding about 2% of Ethereum's supply. Journalist, Hassan Shittu. Journalist, Hassan Shittu. About author, Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, last updated 6 hours ago. Bitmine, the crypto firm led by Wall Street veteran Tom Lee, has expanded its Ethereum treasury once again, purchasing another $69 million worth of ETH through Galaxy Digital's over-the-counter, OTC, desk. The latest acquisition brings Bitmine's holdings to roughly 1.95 million ETH, valued at $8.66 billion, according to Arkham data. Blockchain transaction records show a series of large transfers carried out between Galaxy Digital and Bitmine in recent hours. The settlements included 3,247 ETH, $14.55 million, 3,258 ETH, $14.6 million, 4,494 ETH, $20.06 million, and 4,428 ETH, $19.77 million, totaling 15,427 ETH, about $69 million, in under an hour. The structured timing suggests coordinated OTC settlements, which allow institutional buyers to accumulate large amounts without disrupting open market prices. Bitmine crosses 2M ETH, controls nearly 2% of Ethereum's supply. The purchase underlines Bitmine's aggressive accumulation strategy. Data shows that Ethereum accounts for nearly the entirety of its $8.65 billion portfolio, positioning the firm as the largest corporate ETH treasury holder. Other tokens in its portfolio are negligible by comparison, including minor holdings of MakerDAO's MKR and a handful of experimental tokens with only a few $1,000s in value. Bitmine's latest purchase follows a series of substantial buys over recent weeks. On September 11th, the company received 46,255 ETH, worth $201 million from a BitGo wallet across 3 addresses. A week earlier, on September 4th, Bitmine acquired 80,325 ETH valued at $358 million from Galaxy Digital and FalconX. These acquisitions have lifted its total stash well above 2 million ETH in circulation, equivalent to about 1.8% of Ethereum's entire supply. According to Treasury reserve data, corporate and institutional entities now collectively hold about 4.99 million ETH worth $22.2 billion, representing 4.13% of the token's circulating supply. Bitmine leads this group with 2.15 million ETH, valued at $9.59 billion at peak pricing, followed by SharpLink Gaming with 838,000 ETH, $3.74 billion, and the Ether Machine with 495,000 ETH, $2.2 billion. The Ethereum Foundation, by comparison, holds about 225,000 ETH, while Coinbase Treasury sits at 136,800 ETH. The scale of Bitmine's holdings has drawn comparisons to Strategy's long-standing Bitcoin strategy under Michael Saylor, where large corporate accumulation became a cornerstone narrative for BTC's institutional adoption. Bitmine appears to be positioning itself as Ethereum's equivalent, building a multi-billion-dollar ETH balance sheet as a long-term treasury reserve. Ethereum itself has been trading under pressure despite the accumulation. At the time of writing, ETH is changing hands at $4,465, down 2.8% in the past 24 hours and 4.2% over the week. Ethereum treasury firms expand holdings amid SPAC deals and buybacks. The competition among Ethereum treasuries is heating up as corporate strategies evolve under market pressure. On September 17th, the Ether Machine, an Ethereum-focused treasury firm, filed a draft registration statement with the SEC to go public via a merger with Nasdaq-listed SPAC Dynamics Corporation. The deal, first announced in July, is expected to close in the fourth quarter, pending shareholder approval. The company has built a sizable position of 495,362 ETH after adding 150,000 ETH in August. Meanwhile, Sharplink Gaming announced the repurchase of 1 million shares at an average price of $16.67, part of its ongoing buyback program. Since late August, the firm has repurchased nearly 1.94 million shares, citing undervaluation as the driver. Sharplink reported a net asset value of $3.86 billion, or $18.55 per share, and confirmed it carries no outstanding debt. Analysts say Ethereum is emerging as the key beneficiary of the digital asset treasury (DAT) boom. In a report this week, Standard Chartered's global head of digital assets research, Jeffrey Kendrick, argued that ETH-focused treasuries are better positioned than their Bitcoin and Solana counterparts. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana generate staking yield, which supports higher valuations and long-term sustainability. Since June, Ethereum treasuries have accumulated about 3.1% of the token's circulating supply. With valuations for many DATs under pressure, consolidation is expected, but Ethereum-focused firms appear to be gaining ground. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. Leading AI Claude predicts the price of XRP, Dogecoin, and Picoin by the end of 2025. Perplexity AI predicts the price of XRP, Shiba Inu and Pepe by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. XRP ETF set to launch this week, $100 breakout finally coming. XRP price prediction. Institutional on-ramp goes live in October. XRP can become the next Wall Street darling. Shiba Inu price prediction. SHIB whales move 7 trillion tokens overnight, big crash or massive rally next. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. XRP ETF smashes records on CBOE debut. Is Ripple ready to flip BTC in flows? 7 hours ago. By Alejandro Arich. Bitcoin news. Breaking. Fed cuts rates by 25 BPS. Bitcoin and crypto market reaction live. 2 days ago. By Anas Hassan. Price analysis. New ChatGPT model predicts the price of XRP, Solana and Pepe by the end of 2025. 4 days ago. By Tim Hackey. Best crypto to buy now in September 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 4 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in September 2025. Top new crypto coins. 1 day ago. By Inesis Tavares. 14 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 16 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 16 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in September 2025. 4 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 4 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. September 11, 2025. By Ben Beto.